Now we are going to learn another type of sentences, that is the sentences of WH question. Voice change of the sentences of that begins with WH. So they are called WH question. Those questions which start with a WH. WH means what, where, who is, when, how. All are called the WH. The question that begins with WH are called the WH questions. While doing the voice change of WH questions, look at the example here. I have written some examples. Who teaches you mathematics? This one is a sentence given in active voice. Now we have to turn this question sentence into a question of passive voice. While we are doing the voice sense, again we have to remember the same things. While we are doing the voice sense, we have to find out the subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. In this sentence, here the subject is who. Who teaches you mathematics? In this sentence, this is a different type of sentence. We can say this sentence is having two objects. Direct object and indirect object. One is indirect object and one is direct object. We can say this one is direct object, and this one is indirect object. This sentence has two objects. So while we can do the voice sense of this sentence, we can begin the sentence with two objects. Means we can start the sentence with this also, and we can start the sentence with you also. You are taught mathematics. The sentence, if we will turn in passive voice, then it will turn into you are taught mathematics. You are taught. Just look at here, because here you see the sentence given in the main verb of the sentence is given in the present indefinite tense. So present indefinite tense form of verb be is am, are, is. Any one of these will come. Now, who teaches you mathematics? Now, while we are changing the voice, then the object will come to the place of subject and subject will go to the place of object. So, teaches, who teaches you mathematics? Who teaches you? You, if we will take the subject, then you. With you, what will come? I. You are. Teach, main verb, so it will turn into third form. Taught. You are taught mathematics. Mathematics. Now we have to put the question part. So this part will come at the beginning. When WH question is there, then that WH question will be put at the beginning of the sentence. Who. So this word who, while we are changing the voice, we will write by whom. This will become by whom. By whom you are taught mathematics. But this sentence has a difficulty, because you see, while we are changing the voice at the time also, when it is a question, then we have to keep the question as question pattern. So by whom you are taught mathematics. This is a wrong sentence. A sentence will be like that. By whom are you taught? By whom are you taught mathematics? Because after the question word, then comes the verb. When we are asking a question, after the question word, then comes the verb. What is your name? What your name is. It's not a question. So we have to keep by whom are you taught mathematics. Next sentence, look at the next sentence. Why do you dislike him? In the same way, question is why. It will begin with why. Now, why do you dislike him? Do verb is there. Why do you dislike him? Do is there means it is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense means the sentence will begins with verb be. From here it will come. So why? Question pattern. Why we have to keep why? Why is he? Main verb dislike. Dislike is the main verb. It will turn into third form. Why is he disliked by you? Next sentence. Who broke the window? Look at the sentence. It is the verb is written in the past tense. Verb is written in the past tense. So the verb which will be used in be verb will be in past. So the sentence who will turn into by whom. When WS question always is in the beginning. By whom? Be verb, MR is, since it is past tense, we are taking the help of verb be in past tense. By whom was the window broken? Broke past tense. So we have to use the main verb in third form. So it is like that. By whom was the window broken? Next sentence. What are you doing? In this sentence, what will come in the beginning? Are. Look at the sentence. Are is there. Present indefinite tense. So what is? And look at the sentence here. Verb do. Main verb is do. Do is written in continuous. It means the sentence is continuous tense. So continuous tense of verb be is being. So being is coming here. What is being done by you? Main verb is changed into third form. Just while you are doing the voices, remember one thing. Always remember the formula that I told you for doing the voice tense. In passive voice, there are four parts: subject, form of verb be, main verb of third form, then the object. So here it is. What is being done by you? Next sentence. Who knocked at the door? Knocked. Simple past tense. So who begins with who. So it will be starting as by whom. Knocked is written in past tense. So was. We have written was. By whom was the door knocked at?